Hello guys, this is another KDF channel video. Today I'll be showing you something on my personal van. This is a 2014 Toyota Sienna. I'll be replacing the head unit because I don't really like it. It looks old and the interior of this Sienna obviously should look better. So what I did is I bought this screen on eBay. It looks awesome. I found it for only $150 after doing a heavy research every day. So I found this. They claim it's Android 10.1 if I'm not mistaken. This is a 9 inches, and curiously it comes with all the connections needed. I thought I had to buy connections for to splice the Toyota cables into these ones, but not. It looks like you just plug on the head unit, you plug it on the radio, I mean the connections, the original connections, and that's it. They tell you to identify if you have the JBL system, but it looks like this one is the regular. This is the LE version, so this is the regular base model. I don't see any JBL signs or whatever. So what I'll do now is you open this guy right here and you have to pull this trim. So you can use pry bar. It's recommended to use plastic. So after I pull this out, I'll show you the rest. So I already pulled the trim out. I didn't use any pry bar or screwdriver because I did it with my own fingers. Be careful when you pull this out. There's this connection right here. You don't want to go that fast because you might break it. So first you got to take that connection out. Next is the gear level. So you take this one out and remove this plastic piece. I'll show you. So I already removed this from here. Then you have another connection you have to remove, and then we're going with the AC control. Same deal with the AC control. No tools needed, just your fingers. Just pull it out. You got another connection here, and then we go with the head unit. It looks like you have 4 bolts holding it, 2 in the front, 2 on the rear, and then you will be able to remove everything. It looks like it comes with the air vents. Everything is gonna come together. I removed the head unit already, the old one. It was attached to this piece onto these holes here. This one, that one, these, and that, right? So let me show you the screws. These ones right here, right? I'm trying to test the wires that came with the head unit. Everything is working, but I'm a little bit disappointed with the steering wheel control because it's not working for some reason. Everything is plug and play. It's the steering wheel control is supposed to be this connection, but for some reason it's not working. So I'm a little bit sad, but it's gonna look amazing. So what I'll do is I'll attach the head unit to this vessel right here and put everything back together and try to learn a little bit more if I can fix this problem. For anything else, everything is working fine. I just have to mess with the volume and the bass, but everything is working awesome. So I'll show you the final part of the video, how it looks, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look really nice. So this is the last part of the video. Everything is back in place. Well, I just need to fit the rest, but this is how it looks. It's fast. It's I believe it's 2 GB of RAM and 16 of memory. So it is what it is. I won't lie to you, I feel kind of sad that the steering wheel controls is not working. You're supposed to come here. Here is where you learn, or where you teach the system with the steering wheel, but it's not working at all. It's not doing anything. But it is what it is, guys. For $150, it is what you get. So this is the last part of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you know how to set up this system for the steering wheel, please let me know in the comments, and please subscribe. I will be making more Toyota videos this year, and thank you for the support. See you next time.